Welcome to One Grounds Management and GM2, or the Grounds Mobility Management System. We're excited about this new update. You'll notice that this is what your service partner dashboard looks like. In order to input services, which is what we're going to go over today, in order to input services you do need to be logged into GM2 if you're going to do it on the desktop. We'll go over how to do it in the app that's being released as well. But this video will focus just on the desktop input of those services, and this is for per event services. So make sure that you're logged in. Once you have logged in, you're going to go to the Manage tab at the top, which is right up here, and once you've selected that, you'll notice that there's two extra options there that were not there before. One is the invoices option, the other is timesheets. We're going to select the timesheet option. After you have selected the timesheet option, you'll open a page. Yours will probably be blank. These are some services that we've already entered in testing the system for this particular practice account that we set up. This is where you can see previous services that have been performed or services that were input through the app in the field. They'll all show up here, and you'll be able to see what was done and what the conditions were. You can edit those as well. But in order to start a new service, you simply select the Create Timesheet function or button there at the top right, and it will open up this page, and you just select the site that you're at. We're going to select the newbie branch here, and the service date, let's say that it happened or early this morning at say 4:15 a.m. and we were done at say 5 a.m. And then the package, this will already be default selected for you for now. There's only one package in there, and that's the snow and ice management package. You'll also notice up here at the top that there's a $0 amount at the top for this particular timesheet. This number is going to change as you start to select these services. So for snow removal of the parking lot, let's say that there was 2.5 inches of snow there, so you needed a plow, so you select that in order to show that. And you'll notice that that amount now has changed to $100. That's kind of the amount that we've tested. It's an easy number to work with, so we put that in there, and that indicates that that is being calculated into the price. For the ice melt, you would select that, and then you would select the material. In this case, we'll select the 1 GM ice melt, which would be ice melt that would be given to you by us. If you're using your own ice melt, then you would select that from the drop-down list. Let's go ahead and put that in there. And then same for snow removal of sidewalks. You'll notice that the price changed again. If you were using your own ice melt, for instance, if I was to change this to mag chloride granular, it's going to add in, and I think we had a few dollars in there, 25 cents or something like that, or 50 cents a pound. So that is calculating into that total as well. But let's go and change that back. And then for the ice melt for the sidewalk, you would do the same thing. Simply select the ice melt product that you're using, and then put in the number of pounds, and then select the site conditions. I'm going to select drifted snow, weather conditions, blowing snow, snow depth, let's say 2.5 inches, and the degrees was 25 degrees. So last thing down here at the bottom, you can add images to that service as well. If you have any images, if you're using the app in the field, you'll notice that there's the option to be able to take a photo and add it. It's a lot easier when you're in the field than it is on the desktop. You don't have to have it in here, but then we can go ahead and submit this service. And once it's submitted, it will show up in the list of timesheets that we saw earlier, and we can always make adjustments to it if needed. That is how you input the per event snow services that you perform on site. Again, we ask that you do that as much as you can in the field with the app, which will be another video that you'll see on here. We're excited about that. If you have any questions, please contact us at GM2 support at 1gm.com. Again, that's GM2 support at 1gm.com. And thanks for all your hard work out there. Look forward to a great season. Thanks, bye.